Welcome to Carsmation.
BMW debuted the M4 CSL 2 years ago. It was a limited edition, track-focused version of their sports coupe that added horsepower and decreased in weight. The M3 CS, the German automaker's follow-up model, saw the same power boost transferred to BMW's legendary sports sedan. The 2025 M4 CS, which falls between the M4 competition and the more extreme CSL, is now being introduced by BMW. Behind the polarizing grille, the 3.0-liter inline-six twin-turbo engine in the M4 CS is upgraded to 543 horsepower from 523 in the 2025 M4 Competition X-Drive, matching the M3 CS and M4 CSL. The engine management software has been modified in addition to increasing the maximum boost pressure to 30.5 psi to achieve this enhanced output. There is still 479 pound-feet of powerful torque. Additionally, the M4 CS has special engine mounts that, because of their higher spring rates, form a more rigid connection between the engine and the vehicle structure. The rear-biased all-wheel drive system receives power distribution from an 8-speed automatic transmission. The CS is electronically limited to 188 miles per hour, but BMW claims it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and from 124 miles per hour in 11.1 seconds. Additionally, BMW states that it ran a 7:21:99 lap around the 12.9-mile Nürburgring Nordschleife course. The titanium rear silencer and dual exhaust tips are features of the M4 CS. According to BMW, the total exhaust system weighs 8 pounds less than the standard M4. In order to enhance handling, the CS also comes with a specially adjusted chassis that includes updated wheel camber settings and anti-roll bars. A cast aluminum strut brace boosts torsional rigidity. Additionally, BMW adjusted the electrically assisted steering system and adaptive dampers. The stability control system has fresh programming, and the M Dynamic mode modifies the stability system's intervention levels to allow drivers to push the boundaries. Another goal of the CS was weight reduction, and BMW achieved this by utilizing a significant quantity of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP. The material is used to create the roof, hood, front splitter, front air intakes, side view mirrors, rear diffuser, and rear spoiler. It is also used on the center console, shift paddles positioned on the column, and other trim pieces inside the cabin. Additionally, standard on the CS are massively bolstered, power-adjustable, heated M-carbon bucket seats. According to reports, the M4 CS weighs 77 pounds lighter overall than the M4 Competition X-Drive. Glamorous appearances. With its more aggressive look, the M4 CS can be immediately identified from other M4 models because to its visible carbon fiber channels on the top and hood as well as its aerodynamic fins, which include a rear spoiler and front splitter. Sporty red trim and M4 CS badging accentuate the frameless shape of the BMW kidney grille, which also helps to save weight. The taillights adopt the elaborate design first seen on the M4 CSL, while the headlights include yellow illuminated components rather than the customary white. There are two paint colors available for BMW individual, Frozen Isle of Man Green Metallic, which is only available for the CS, and Riviera Blue. Sapphire Black Metallic and Brooklyn Gray Metallic are additional color options. The M4 CS's brakes, on the other hand, come in red or black paint options. However, if you choose the carbon ceramic package, you may also choose red or gold. The wheels are 19 inches in front and 20 inches in back, and they are available in matte gold bronze or matte black finishes. They're high-performance tires, which measure 275/35 in the front and 285/30 in the back, may be upgraded to Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, which are suitable for racing. A 3-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel covered in micro-suede is another interior feature of the CS. The CS has the same innovative curved display as other 2000 to 25 minutes and 4 seconds, which consists of a 14.9-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. In July 2024, BMW plans to begin construction of the 2025 M4 CS at its Dingolfing, Germany, plant. Starting at $124,675, the M4 CS will cost approximately $40,000 more than the competition coupe and $16,000 less than the 2023 M4 CSL. Thanks for watching.